Probably you are wondering what I'm doing here. This is a 1000 kilovolt. It's quite dangerous. I have a switcher to turn it on and off, and the battery will be 18650. This is an aluminium stainless non-pointy blade. This part here, I use the coil of wire you seen just now. Instead of using thicker wire, I use this one just for fun. Yep. I have no directions. I'm just doing it on purpose. Now I'm going to put it in and try to see if there's any ionic beam that jumps from this side to this side without using any pointy blade. I've switched off the lights. Let's see if it works. Nothing. But I can hear some sound, so I'm going to push it in nearer to see what happens. Push. Oh, dangerous. I think I need to make it pointy. Oh, it's very high. Yeah, we're just going to blow this thing out. I have to change this to a pointy metal. I want to know if there's any ionic going from this end to this end. Okay. Yes, it's going this side. Unbelievable. I'm going to push it a little bit in. Whoosh. I couldn't get the blue flame, but I only get sparks. That's no good. I get sparks. Probably I need to change this metal to a metal. When I turn on, I can feel some wind here because it's too far away. We'll try one more time and you'll take a look. Now just leave it like this.
要关注我的视频，点击
subscribe